Welcome to K Agriculture's YouTube channel. In this video, we will provide details about 3 steps to order product samples from our factory. There are 3 steps to order product samples from K Agriculture. Number 1. Confirm sample package information. Number 2. Confirm delivery information and fees to be paid. And number 3. Confirm the receipt of goods. When the customers agree to order the sample, they need to confirm the sample type. The quantity and weight of product samples are decided by us and then reported to customers. K Agriculture often sends customers free sample packages of 100 gram to 1 kilogram. The product quantity depends on the number of products customers are interested in. If you want a larger quantity, there should be a prior discussion between you and us. The product sample is simply vacuumed and has no packaging. If anyone needs quality inspection details, K Agriculture will also inspect the products and send the inspection certificates to them. If the customers agree with the product samples, they need to provide the recipient's address and contact phone number. Customers have to pay the shipping fees in advance. The seller or the buyer can book the delivery, but usually the seller takes responsibility for that. After we receive the money, we will prepare samples and bring them to FedEx, DHL, or Best Carrier shipping services. During the shipping process, KRV will check the bill of lading and regularly update customers for the most detail. For the familiar customer, there will be no shipping fee for the second sample order. Usually, DHL shipping will only take 3 days. And FedEx shipping takes 7 days to reach your hands. After the customer receives the sample, it's necessary to confirm the receipt of goods, check out the sample's quality, and give feedback. We appreciate it if the customer records a video when opening the goods. So, it's the end of this video. If you have any question, feel free to contact us.